Ahoy, me hearties! Can you believe it? Sea of Thieves is turning 7, and this year's anniversary is bringing legendary loot, insane bonuses, and some surprise you wouldn't want to miss. From free rewards to massive gold boosts and limited time voyages, we've got everything you need to know. So grab your grog, set sail, and let's dive in. Rare is making this anniversary an unforgettable one, and here's what's in store for every pirate out there. Exclusive time-limited voyages, special anniversary-themed adventures with high rewards, free in-game rewards. Just for logging in, you'll get exclusive cosmetics, emotes, and more. New ship and weapon skins. Unlock legendary anniversary-themed designs. Gold and reputation multipliers. Earn boosted rewards just by playing during the event. But wait, there's more! Community Weekend is here, and the more players participate, the crazier the rewards get. Multiplier madness. Gold and reputation boosts increase based on the community's activity. Twitch drops and exclusive giveaways. Watch partnered Sea of Thieves streams for free rewards. Fast plunder pass progression. Level up your pass and unlock content at lightning speed. Want to maximize your rewards? Team up with an emissary crew and stack voyages for massive payouts. Rare is also running a special social media event. Your post could unlock additional rewards for all pirates. Here's how you can participate. Post your best in-game moments using the official event hashtag. The more posts, the higher the community bonuses, and Rare will randomly surprise players with extra in-game loot. So whether it's an epic naval battle or hilarious pirate fail, get sharing. And that's everything you need to know about the 7th anniversary event in Sea of Thieves. What are you most excited for? Let us know in the comments.